Are you tired of searching for the perfect student accommodation in London? Look no further, because Wembley Residence, Britanya has got everything you need and more. The stylish studios will make you feel right at home with cozy beds, spacious workstations, private bathrooms, well-equipped kitchenettes, and stunning window walls to top it all off. Feeling social? Get your popcorn ready and head to the cinema room for new releases, or hit up the social spaces and mingle with your fellow mates. Burn off those extra burger calories at the on-site gym or relax in the courtyard while watching the sunset. And when it's time to hit the books, the study area is waiting for you. Getting to university is a breeze. Just take a quick stroll to Fulton Road, stop and hop on a bus to reach the College of Northwest London and the University of Westminster within minutes. When it's time for some fun, cheer on your team at the Parish Bar, where you can catch televised sports and enjoy a cold one in the beer garden. And don't worry about running out of supplies, because the Lidl supermarket has got you covered. So, if you're ready to make the most out of your student life, Wembley Residence, Britanya is waiting for you with open arms. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your spot today.